As we bid farewell to this year, I will not curse this year as many have done that, because all of the years of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala are a blessing. This year taught me a lot. First, it taught me to become stronger and produce a better version of myself. This year, it made me know the original metal from the fake metal. It taught me that everything is subject to change and everything is relative in this life, and I will certainly deal with one constant in my life that does not change, and that attachment is alone, that is Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. There is no permanent but Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. It taught me that I could give up things that I took for granted in my life, and I could not live without them, but I discovered that I could actually live without them. There were only fears within me of losing them, but I can, yes I can, and I did. In return, it also taught me that I could endure things that I had never imagined in my life that I would ever endure. It made energy, greater patience and endurance. My motto this year was not blame anything of fear or hunger and lack of money, fruits and human being to anybody. Just don't blame to anybody. Let it between me and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And we had no choice but patience, and with this sadness will never change this situation. So let the difficult time pass by smiling, because of tears will not change and the situation will not improve. The wheel of life will simply pass over our sorrows and will not stop for us. I became more in control of my feelings and freeze my feeling in certain situations. Like, we may think it is cruelty or lack of feelings for other, but it is kind of protection for our life to continue, and also because there is no other option, so it will not help waiting. I learned to accept what is inevitable. It is half of the happiness, if not all, and be satisfied with what Allah has given. Almost the most difficult lesson is to be satisfied. I think it is a year of great awakening and a change for the better in adults, children, everyone. The number of believers also increased with belief and certainty in Allah this year, and it made us learn new good habits and change for the better with new priorities that improve our life for the better. And in the end, who among us did not lose someone close or know him because of this virus? Enough with this all. We felt that we were visited to this world and life was a blink of an eye while we are passing through at this heart of all these deals. God, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala may ease our hardship. So enough, that's all. Thank you 2020 for all the gift. We would not have learned without this way.